Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your go-to source for mastering the world's most powerful design tools in minutes. Ever felt like your Canva designs were missing that professional edge because you couldn't quite nail the typography? Today, I'm showing you the ultimate secrets to adding and styling text boxes like a pro designer. Step 1. Open your Workspace. First things first, fire up Canva and launch the specific project or canvas size you're ready to bring to life. Having your layout ready is the foundation of a great workflow, so let's get that canvas open and ready. Step 2. Locate the text panel. Navigate your cursor over to the left-hand sidebar where all the magic happens and click on the text icon. This opens up your entire arsenal of typographic tools, from basic headers to stunning preset combinations. Step 3. Choose your type style. You can opt for a quick preset like a heading or subheading, or browse through Canva's curated font pairings for an instant aesthetic boost. Choosing the right hierarchy from the start ensures your message is clear and visually balanced. Step 4. The instant text box. As soon as you click your choice, a fresh text box will snap right onto your canvas, perfectly positioned for you to start creating. It's the fastest way to bridge the gap between a blank page and a finished masterpiece. If you're finding this helpful, smash that subscribe button and join the Preyo Promo community for more pro-level tech tips. It really helps the channel grow, and we've got some amazing tutorials coming your way soon. Step 5. Customize your content. Now simply start typing your message, whether it's a bold headline or detailed body text that needs to be shared. This is where your brand's voice starts to take shape on the screen, so make every word count. Step 6. Master the font selection. Head up to the top toolbar and click the font name to unlock an endless library of modern, sleek, and high-impact typefaces. Picking the right font is like picking the right outfit. It sets the entire vibe for your design's success. Step 7. Refine the details. Take full control by adjusting the size, color, and spacing using the intuitive toolbar located right above your workspace. These small tweaks are what separate amateur designs from high-converting professional visuals. Step 8. Apply high-impact effects. To really make your words pop, hit the Effects button to add professional shadows, glows, or sleek outlines. Adding a bit of depth makes your text readable over any background and gives it that polished 3D look. And there you have it. You're now a Canva text expert ready to dominate your next design project. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo, and I'll catch you in the next one.